Imagine a unique train travel experience that takes you on an iconic journey, seamlessly connecting two amazing countries through breathtaking landscapes, rich in history and natural wonders. From glistening shorelines and beautiful meadows to rolling desert hills and majestic mountains. Introducing Coastal Passage, the newest route for 2013 from the internationally acclaimed Rocky Mountaineer. A 3-day, all-daylight journey that links the cosmopolitan city of Seattle, Washington, one of the world's most desired cruise ports, to Vancouver, British Columbia, and the jaw-dropping landscapes of the Canadian Rockies. For those who wish to explore the region further, guests on board our Coastal Passage route have the flexibility of combining an Alaskan cruise from Seattle at the beginning or end of the Rocky Mountaineer journey. It's the ideal way to catch the natural drama unfolding from both land and sea. Guests on our Coastal Passage route enjoy our award-winning luxurious gold leaf service, including panoramic views from the glass dome of Rocky Mountaineer's famed bi-level gold leaf coach. Optimal for viewing soaring eagles, spawning salmon, and if you're lucky, a black bear or two. In the dining room downstairs, internationally acclaimed chefs tend to your culinary desires with outstanding gourmet a la carte meals made from the finest and freshest ingredients, paired with select wines from British Columbia's Okanagan Valley region. All this while entertaining and engaging onboard hosts speak to the history, stories, and ecology of the regions passing by. An incredible adventure that offers amazing service, awe-inspiring scenery, and untamed beauty, Coastal Passage promises to be a journey you'll never forget. See you on board.